Hello, you trader nerds. Welcome into another day. And hey, good to have Lisa Benton with us, one of my former students at the University of Alabama. Lisa, what you doing, girl? Hit your space bar and talk.
Well, hello.
I
It's
hadn't
so
heard
good to
from you in a
see
while.
you.
Yeah,
I
so good to see you.
I just got back from Mexico. Took a little vacation.
All right. Did you have fun? What part of Mexico did you go to?
I did have fun. Playa Mujeres. I went for a friend's wedding.
Oh, awesome. Let's see. Glenn says that your picture is much too professional for the rest of this group.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Lisa's great. So what are you doing? What school? Are you finished with school? What's the status with that?
No, I have one more class in the fall, my tax class, and then
Oh boy.
all done.
Okay, tax class. That sounds fun. Not.
I know.
Well, you'll do great at it. Well, good to hear from you, Lisa. So good to have you with us today.
Thank
Have
you.
you been trading any at all, or what are you doing?
I know. No, I haven't been trading, but I can tell you Christiana Webb has been going full throttle with it. So she got me
Really?
back. Yes, I'm so proud of her. She got me back into saying, okay, I need to get on to this. So here
Yeah,
I
you
am.
need to. There you go. Because what we did last year, if we had only did what we're doing now, we would have been up 24, 25% last year when the market was down 20%. Now, we have trouble keeping up with the market when the market is really, really, really going up. So the market's up like 18%. And I think in my bellwether account, I'm up like 10 or 11%. So, we do better when the market goes down, but we're trying. We're doing our best.
Yes.
So anyway, good to have you here. Well, look,
Thank
y'all, if you wanted to make money today, what's this? I'm going to show you what you could have done. Now, I, on the other hand, am writing a stupid children's book, so I don't have a time to watch all this stuff. But if you were watching the market here going down, everybody see this? Okay. AD leads the market. Do you see this tremendous divergence where the advancers over the decline started going up and the market was going down? Y'all, you could have bet the farm right here that just hang up on them. It's probably a bill collector. Just tell them we ain't here. We moved to Texas. Y'all could have told right here. Now, what's this? Then we had further divergence. The AD's going down and prices going up. Isn't that cool? So if you wanted to make a stack of money, now I'm not into the trading the futures. I'm too busy going to the gym. I went at 5 o'clock this morning because I couldn't sleep. It was I don't want to relive it being there that morning. But look, y'all, this is how you make money if you're a scalper. But now this doesn't happen often. Normally these things are lockstep. But if you ever can find a day when AD and price are divergent as they were here, then bet the bank, baby. That is money in the bank. Volume is low today, 27.35. Do you know why volume is low? Because those pansy arse candy butts out there are too scared to trade because they're all waiting on every word that Jay Powell's going to say. And I don't give a freaking thing of what Jay Powell says. I don't care. The man does not control me or my destiny. So I'm not sitting here going with bated breath, waiting for the man to do whatever he's going to do. He has no bearing on me. Let's see where the market is on our big green monster that we draw. And on our big green monster, we know that we, ladies and gentlemen, we are right at the brink of being overpriced. We're overpriced. The point of control where the most volume is traded the last 10 days is right here in the SP 500. You and I have a suspicion, a sneaking suspicion that we're going to fill these gaps at some point. And we also think that we're going down at some point. Now, I could be proven wrong here. What's wrong with my darn here? I think that there is a chance that the ES goes to what, 44.88. I think there's a strong possibility. Now, the longer we stay up here, the more probability we have a chance of being under, or what is it, oversold for the fair market value above us. But as of yet, it's trying to make its mind up. Am I overbought or am I fairly priced? Right now, we are overbought on the verge of being fairly priced if we get a little bit of a pullback. So that's my market sentiment for the day. So how are we doing? Well, let's see, ladies and gentlemen. Holy Shimon, look at this. This is our little account here that's 30-something thousand. So wait a minute, let me go see over here where we can find our okay, so we are at, we're not at 40, we're at 39,529, and our portfolio. Lisa, this must be why she was saying you need to come back, because our portfolio has a 99% probability of profit. I like those odds. And we are at 39,520. So let's see how much money we made. 39,520. And the tasty 39,520. So we're up a little bit. 39,520. Ring the bell, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
And Lisa, since you're back with us, I'm going to give you a refresher of how we run a portfolio, regardless of portfolio size. You can trade this up to billions of dollars, or you can trade this on 20,000 or 15,000 or 5,000. So our deltas are 110. That simply means we have the equivalent of 110 shares of SPY in our account. So our delta is 110. Our theta is 76. What does theta mean? It means that with each day, with the passage of time, the options that we sell should decay, and we should make $76 a day. Now, that's not linear. And you see that this day we actually made $89, right? Yesterday we made $39. Friday we made $244. Then we lost $50. But over time, this should average out to be $76 a day. So what did I say this was? And we are at, just trying to give Lisa a little refresher here. 110.76. Make sure y'all know every number we got here. 110.76. And VIX is apparently at 13 still. That's the fear index. And the collateral that our broker requires us to put up is 13,583, but I'm not sure that's right.
Dad, are you in a class?
I'm in a class, JoJo, but how'd you do at football camp, son?
Yeah, but
Come here and tell everybody how you did, son.
Oh, you should see this. It's very important.
Oh, you got you something? What'd you get? A football?
What is it?
JoJo got a bag full of stuff. You got a trophy, JoJo. Let me see the trophy.
Trophy?
There he is, number one. Look at there. Y'all see the trophy?
Can I see?
Oh, that's, hold a minute. They can't see it online. Look at there. You got a trophy, Joe.
Can I see?
That's my man. He's going to be a future Alabama Crimson Tider. No doubt about it.
That's from last year.
That's from last year, but that's good, JoJo. And it even says number one, son.
Got some
I love it. Got some candy too? What kind of candy you got? Got any caramel in there? Oh, look at that. A little finger thing. There you go. All right. So where was I? What was I talking about? Oh, I think that number needs to be uploaded a little bit. You're number one, JoJo. Always use the first finger and not the middle finger. Okay. What? Well, I'm just saying, Beth. Everybody knows. Let's see. How do I get the, oh man, where's Evan at? Oh, here we go. How do I get the thing? I forget how to get the thing to update. Does anybody remember my buying power? Because that's not right. Let's see. Positions, trade, order, chart. It's like my mind's gone blank. Let's see. Positions. Here it is. Capital requirement. That's it. Oh, look at that. At the bottom.
It says number one.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. All right, y'all be quiet. Daddy's in session, okay? For the love. All right, so let's log back in. Okay, here we go. Capital requirement. That's what we got to change. There we go. Risk analysis. Now, 13,901, it went up a little bit. So that's the collateral that they're requiring us to put up. 13,901. Now, remember, this is the account that we're trying to get up to 50% buying power usage. Don't try this at home. I am experimenting. So what are we going to do? Well, how about let's put on a trade. So here we go. We're going to do our 1-2-1 trade. And Lisa, you'll like this. So what we do is we go to the point at 60 days or more where we can sell a 9% probability of being in the money option for $20. Right. So here's their 9% probability of being in the option in the money. And we sell two of them. So let's try to get $21 or so out of it. Let's try to get 21 1/4. Let me be a little bit greedy. Hey, y'all go downstairs. Daddy's in a session. Y'all freaking me out a little bit. And we are filled. So Lisa, by that being a 9% probability of being in the money, that basically means that we have a 90% probability that that's going to be a profitable trade. Remember, there is about a 20% probability that price will go down to touch our option. But 80% of the time, it's not going to touch it, and you and I are going to be just fine. Now, here's our hedge. Our hedge, we put that in at 87 or 86 days if this is updated. So that means we've got to have a hedge in place for 44 days. Well, there's a 37-day option. That doesn't give us enough time. So we're going to go to the 51-day option. We're going to buy a hedge. And the hedge we're going to buy is at the 9% probability of being in the money. So let's do the 42.25. And we're going to do a 300 wide put debit spread. So we're going to go down to 39.25. 39.25, and we're going to sell one of those, okay? And that's going to be for $9. Got to bump it up to 9.25 to probably get filled. That increases my buying power by, or it gives me buying power relief of $250. This thing has a maximum profit of $1,453, and it's costing me the $46.25 to get in. Let us get in and do it. Now, y'all, I'm spending a lot of time helping Lisa out today because it's been a while, you know, since she's been around this stuff. So we're just trying to get her. Lisa, it's just going to take a few days, girl. Just, you know, hang with us. You'll kind of get.
Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah, we'll take you under our wing. Hey, is Stacy here? Yes, Stacy's here. Stacy is so awesome because Stacy will probably take you under her wing. Right, Stacy's volunteered to take people under their wing, and I'm sure Lisa that just message Stacy on our little thing, and y'all keep in touch, so it'll be good. Hey, the shovel's in here. Rico, strike up the band. We never have the shovel in live. This is amazing. And Quentin's here from the University of Alabama. Quentin, have you moved up to start your job yet, or what? What's the status with that?
So I'm back in New York, but I don't start my job until early September.
Okay, I like it though. I like it. You got a little time to, you know, settle in and everything, so that's good. All right, so let's see how our other account's doing. This is our conservative account. So this is our IRA account. And let's see how we're doing over here. The IRA is at 87,926. Y'all, we are close. Oh, we're close to getting to 88,000. 87,926. Let's go put it in. 87,926. Where is it? 87,926. 87. Oh, crap. Darn it. We're down $25 in that one. Darn it. That's okay, though. We're doing good. All right, so let's go grab our Gregson ratios for this account. All right, so over here, let me ungroup my stuff. And so our deltas are 115, theta 76, 115, 76. Put that in, 115, 76. Ed is here today. Oh, did everybody buy your T-bills yesterday? I'm sure everybody bought your T-bills. We're big into T-bills. We are T-bill anonymous. And it sounds impressive. Like if I'm at a picnic or something with, you know, at a birthday party. What have you been doing, Bob? Well, you know, I buy thousands of dollars worth of T-bills every week. That's what I do. And people look at you like, wow, how you do that, man? I'm like, you know, it's just a thing, man. 2650. It's just a thing. It's just what I do. It's just what Ed taught me to do. 2650. So we're at 23% buying power. Everything looks good, y'all. I mean, you could leave this account or I could put on a trade, but I got a feeling it's going to say that, hey, Bob, you need to close something. And indeed it does. It says I need to close my naked puts. Now, Lisa, the spreadsheet tells me to do that. Why? Because this originally had 74 days in it. And when it gets down to a certain amount of days, it just says, hey, close it, Bob, and take your profits. So let's see if we got enough money to take the family in the Woodside station wagon to go to Applebee's. So let's see what we got. We're going to close the 4 of the 38 30s. All right, let's go close those. 4 of the 38 30s. We find them in the naked puts, 38 30s. There they are. Look at there. up 92%, baby. So we get out of these for $1.40. So swing, better, swing. And we are out at $1.40. Let's count our profits, shall we? $1.40. So that's my closing price, $1.40. My little spreadsheet. Oh, guess who I got contacted by yesterday, y'all? Dr. Jim Schultz. Guess what he wanted? He said, hey, Bob, can I have a copy of your spreadsheet? I'm like, well, heck yeah, Doc. Heck yeah. So no telling what Dr. Jim's going to be doing with my spreadsheet. Look at there, y'all. We made 91%. You and I made $335.24.
I don't know.
I don't know either, Mama. I have no idea, but we made $335.24. All right, so close that one. I say, let's go and put another trade on. What do you say? So let's do that same trade over in here. So we're going to go out to, what was it, 86 days. Simple stuff. Just remember the power of 9. We're going to go to the 9% probability of being in the money. Sometimes you'll hear me say that as a 9 delta. And we've already sold all of these stuff right here. So you can sell it anywhere in here. Let's sell the 4,100. And let's do 4 of them because we're doing 2 tranches. And we're going to go up to 21.25 so we can get filled. And batter, swing. Batter, swing, batter. Oh, come on. Fill me, man. Fill me. Fill me. All right, come on. Let's get her done. And we are filled. We are in. So we're doing a 2 trancher, which means we need to do 2 tranches of the put debit spread in the 51-day cycle. Remember the power of 9. So the 9% probability of being in the money. 9%. And you can go by delta if you want to. I like using whatever you do, be consistent. 9% probability of being in the money is around in here. So we'll say 42.60. Let's buy it. And we'll go down to the 39.60, 300 wide. And swing, better. Hold your control key down. 875, we know we ain't gonna get filled there. Probably will get filled at 9 1/4. So let's get that one in and go, baby. Come on, baby. Treat me good. Sorry about my dogs barking, y'all. My car is in the shop. The air conditioner, the airbag, and the horn all went out one time. Can y'all believe that? Oh, well, I went the wrong way. I got to pay more, don't I? What's wrong with me? What is wrong with me? My kids are out of control. We got football camp. Let's go to 950. Got to make it less advantageous for us. Okay, here we go. Now we'll fill. I said now we'll fill. Embarrassing me in front of my friends. 975. 975. Are you kidding me? I got to go up to $10. Look, the mark is $9. What am I doing wrong? 42.60, 42. Something doesn't seem right. Let's go up to $10. Let's go up to $20. See if we fail. No, we're not going up that far. Let's go up to 10. Now, if it doesn't fail at 10, I'm just going to say, screw it. Oh, come on. Come on. All right, I'm going to let that work a minute because it doesn't seem right. All right. So we got that working order. So, okay. So remember, since Lisa's here, let's do our little update to tell her what we do. Where's my pen? Hey, will somebody take my banana nut muffin paper down the stairs before a rat comes up here? Y'all remember that time that a mouse came up here? It's because I eat at my office, I'm thinking. And my cat doesn't do a good job sometimes getting the mouse. And I know what y'all say. Oh, that's great. If you live in a farmhouse that was built in 1860 and you got farm and animals and all stuff and pigs and goats, you're going to have that stuff. You know, it just happens. They come in from the field. All right, so here we go. Lisa, here's what we do, right? Here's our whole plan, our 5-step plan. Or is it 4 steps? Number 1, we sell premium. Sell options premium. Where's my M? The second thing we do, right? At a high probability of success, I like 90% plus, high probability. Where's my B at? Probability. Anyway, third thing we do is we let theta decay. Remember the options get, you know, that we sell for $1, we hope they get to be like a nickel. So we can buy them back, theta decays, and we get profits into our account. 4, here's where we spend 90% of our time every day as we manage chaos. We've not had any chaos lately. And then 5, which is the fun part, we rinse and repeat. Repeat, we repeat. All right. Questions? Oh, good. Stacy said, hi, Lisa, always help in any way she can. Feel free to message me on Discord. That's really good. Okay, y'all. Great session. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back tomorrow.